how to trade with free coupon spot in Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step whether it is possible to trade with the free coupon that Bybit used to give people when they sign up, or like for some times. So if you want to trade with that coupon, just go to your assets. If you go to your assets, so under the assets, as you can see now, if the coupon is given to you, like if you get any asset in your Bybit, you'll be able to see the amount in this, either in the funding or in the unified trading. So if you look at this option now, you can't find the USDT that Bybit gives you as a free coupon. If you can't find it in this option now, means that you cannot trade it. Most of the time, if Bybit gives you that free coupon, they only give you that free coupon to cover off your Bybit spot trading fees. They will use that coupon to charge you for the fees that they used to charge you from your initial capital before. So if you get like 50 USDT, which is coupon free coupon in the Bybit, so that 50 USDT, you can only use it in your spot trading fee. You cannot be able to see it even if physical. They'll just promise that they'll give you, but it is hidden. When it comes to the trading fee, they'll just charge you from that 50 USDT, but they will not charge you from your initial capital. That's the only way you can be able now to use it. But you cannot use it to trade either spot or any like trade in the Bybit. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.